Good morning, dear students. I welcome you all in the online computer class. Today, we are going to start a new lesson, Chapter 2, Head and Body section of HTML. Let's start. Children, as we have studied in Chapter 1, an HTML document is divided into two sections, Head section and Body section. The content of the head section is included within the starting of the head tag and ending of the head tag. Combination of this head tag along with the contents between them is known as an head element. The head section provides necessary information about the HTML document. The first thing that can be included into the head section is the title. This is the title in the head section. Title I have given as trial program. This is end of the title tag. Save this with the file name as p11.html. Now let us execute this and see in the browser. This title is displayed as the title of the browser window. Now I have removed the title tag from here. So if the title is not specified, most browsers display the URL path or the file name. The head section also contains an additional tag called as a meta tag. Meta tags provide additional information about the contents of the web page. It describes what a web page is about. Here, the web page is about rainbow and its colors. The keywords used to search this web page are rainbow and WebCure. Author specifies the author of the web page. The meta tag is an empty tag since it has only an opening tag but doesn't have a closing tag. The meta tag contents are not visible on the browser. See, the contents of meta tag has not appeared in the browser. Meta tag. The head section contains meta tag. Meta tag provides additional information about the contents of the web page. Meta tag describes what a web page is about and makes it easy for a search engine to search the web page efficiently. Meta tags are used to store information useful to browsers and search engines. Meta tag is an empty tag because it has only opening tag. It doesn't have a closing tag. The meta tag contents are not visible on browsers. Syntax of meta tag is within angular brackets meta attribute equals to within double quotes value. Three main attributes are there of meta tags. They are name, http-equiv, content. Now we will see what are titles, meta description, meta keywords or simply keywords, and web page URL. These are called titles. They are written in HTML code in head section of title tag. When we click on this title, a web page is displayed with this title displaying in the title bar of the browser. These are called meta description. It is usually a summary of a web page. Meta description is present for the benefits of users and search engines. From meta description, user comes to know what contents are present in the web page. Search engine searches meta keywords from this meta description. These are web page URLs. If the keywords we are searching for matches in the title or meta description, then that web page or website are displayed. Now we will see in detail all these terms. Meta description. A meta description describes and summarizes the contents of your web page for the benefit of users and search engines. Most search engines will display the description when they put the results of a search to the user. For example, meta name equals to description in double quotes, content equals to within double quotes about rainbow and its colors. Usually descriptions are up to 160 characters. This is a meta description. Keywords. Keywords provided in this tag will be used by the search engine. Important topics may be enlisted as keywords. For example, meta name equals to in double quotes keywords, content within double quotes rainbow, comma WebCure. This is a keyword. Luxury watches UK. This will be searched by the search engine. Author. Author attribute specifies the author of the web page. For example, meta name equals to and within double quotes author, content equals to within double quotes M.K. Gandhi. This meta tag specifies that the author of this web page is M.K. Gandhi. Other meta tags. There are some meta tags that tell the web page to load a specific URL after some seconds. For example, meta http dash equi equals to and within double quotes refresh content equals to within double quotes 5. The above example automatically refreshes the web page by reloading it after every 5 seconds. Next example, within angular brackets meta http dash equi equals to within double quotes refresh content equals to within double quotes 5 URL equals to within double quotes http colon forward slash test.com forward slash angular brackets complete. This example automatically refreshes the content of the given URL every 5 seconds. So today we have learnt about meta tag used in the head section of an HTML document. The meta tags themselves may not display anything. However, they often provide information regarding the author, keywords, description about the page. Such information is helpful to the search engine and other utility programs. Thank you. Have a good day.